Are you ready to transform your website data into a powerhouse for targeted advertising and improved conversion rates? First, let's grab your Facebook Pixel code. Navigate to your Facebook Ads Manager, where you can locate the Events Manager section, and click on Pixels. If you don't already have a pixel, you will be prompted to create one, which will give you its unique ID. In your pixel setup, you'll find your pixel ID. Copy that ID. It is crucial to the integration. Next, head over to Google Tag Manager GTM. In GTM, you're going to select tags from the left-hand navigation. Then click on New to create a new tag. For tag configuration, select the tag type Custom HTML. Now, you're going to input the following. Paste your copied Facebook Pixel ID into the HTML code section. Leave the other settings as they are. Next, configure the triggering. Select the triggering section, and then click the plus icon to add a new trigger. For your trigger type, choose all pages. This will have your pixel fire on every page of your website. Save your trigger. Now, save your tag. Review your process. To recap, you grab your pixel ID, put it into your newly configured GTM, and set that custom HTML to run on all your pages. Now, publish your GTM container to make your changes live. And there you have it. Your Facebook Pixel is now integrated with your website through Google Tag Manager. You can now track website activity, run targeted ads, and measure those all-important conversion rates.